One, I am Rakibul Hassan Khan, Assistant Professor of Assam Downtown University. Today I am going to discuss about prosthetic eye fitting. A prosthetic eye can help improve the appearance of people who have lost an eye to injury or disease. It is commonly called a glass eye or fake eye. The prosthetic eye includes oval whitish outer shell finished to duplicate the white color of the other eye. Next, a round central portion painted to look like the iris and pupil of the other eye. Implantation. A prosthetic eye, that is ocular prosthesis, is almost always recommended after an eye is surgically removed due to damage or disease. This implant supports proper eyelid functioning. Some of the reasons why an eye may be removed are, that is injury, glaucoma, infection inside the eye tumors. Here, a prosthetic eye can help to look better who have damaged their eye. Prosthetic eye means fake eye, only for good look. We have used it, but we cannot see anything. It may be oval and white color, same with the other eye. And central portion is round and painted to look like iris and pupil with other eye. Some of the reason like injury, glaucoma, infection inside the eye tumors. For these types of reason, better to remove your damaged eye. Next, types of surgery. There is a two surgical method for removing a damaged eye. The type of surgery you have will affect the selection of a prosthetic eye. The two methods are evisceration. In this method, the jelly like inside of the eye is suctioned out. This is done through an incision in the front of the eye, but the procedure preserves tissues in the outer eye and eye socket orbit. Here only we will remove the front part of the eye, but in enucleation. Here in this method, the entire eye, the total eye, globe like eyeball, is cut away and removed from the eye socket. These are the procedure. We will remove the eyeball and after that it's look like that. Next, why is a prosthetic eye used? A prosthetic eye can improve the appearance of the affected eye socket. For most people, it is vastly preferable to wearing an eye patch or bandage. See like that. This one before looking without prosthetic eye, after prosthetic eye it's look good. Next, if the entire eye is removed, an ocular implant and prosthesis prevent the tissues in the eye socket from growing to fill the empty space. See the previous diagram. Here, if we don't put here prosthetic eye, then here the new tissues are generated. So it's better to use prosthetic eye. Next, a prosthetic eye cannot restore vision. After removal of the natural eye and placement of a prosthetic eye, a person will have no vision in that eye. Prosthetic eye means only for good look. We have to use prosthetic eye, but we cannot see with prosthetic eye. Next, fitting procedure. Before we deliver the prosthetic, we check 7 basic considerations for assuring proper fit and life-like results. That is, number 1, size and lid contour. We will check proper posterior fit of the prosthesis over the anterior tissues in the ocular cavity for comfort and motility. We will check color of the sclera, that is white part of the eye. We will check position and plane of the iris. We will check color of the iris and pupil size. We will check movement of the artificial eye. We will check patient comfort and a pleasing cosmetic result. Next, movement of the artificial eye is determined by the orbital implant chosen and the type of surgery performed by the ophthalmologist, as well as the accuracy and skill of the ocularist who does the fitting. Basically, prosthetic eye treatment doing by ophthalmologist and ocularists, they are fitting the prosthetic eye. Initially, a custom shape is individually molded, cast and formed for volume and matching lid contours. Next, the iris is hand painted. The iris color, this color is hand painted. We will match this one to the other eye of the patients. Next, careful attention is paid to the sclera, which is also carefully hand painted, paint and tinted to create a true to life reproduction. Lastly, a clear acrylic cape is applied to protect the colors of the prosthetic eye, give depth to the iris, and produce a smooth finish for patient comfort. So, I think you all are understood the prosthetic eye fitting. Thank you.